Trading Tips Part 5. ADX. Average Directional Movement Index. Here is a very good and a very simple Forex trading system based on ADX, that is Average Directional Movement Index. First open a 1-hour chart such as shown here. This is the 1-hour US dollar to Japanese yen chart. Now apply the 5 exponential moving average indicator in yellow color and the 13 exponential moving average in aqua color as shown in the chart below. Now apply the average directional movement index on the chart and change the style color to black and let the period stay at 14. Now click on colors and change the plus DI to lime and minus DI to red and thicken the lines as shown in this chart. Now add level 20 and change the style color to yellow as shown in the chart below. Then click OK. Once you click OK, this is what you will get on your chart. Notice that there is a level 20 in yellow color in the ADX window. When the lime line crosses the red line and goes above the 20 level, this is a signal to go long or buy, and when the red line crosses the lime line and goes above the 20 level, that is the signal to short or sell. In the next chart I will place a yellow vertical line at the crossovers. So we buy at the open of the new candle at 109.14 and place the stop loss 5 pips below the last low at 108.93. Once you are in the trade, wait until you get either the moving average crossovers, to exit, or the red ADX line crosses above the lime ADX up. I have marked a few exit points on the chart. Here are the exit points marked in yellow boxes. Here is the sell trade. When the red line crosses the lime line and goes above the 20 level, it's time to sell and stay in the market until the lime line crosses the red line, and goes above the 20 level as shown in the chart below. And we make a profit of 52 pips. Please subscribe to my channel as I am going to bring in some more easy and profitable Forex trading strategies.